Once he says we can go, guess that's it. Good God, man. Surprisingly, there's a few cars out this morning, which I have no idea why you'd want to be up at 5:46 a.m. on a Saturday if you're not going to do anything fun, but who knows, maybe those people are going to do something fun. Alright, y'all, so we met up with a few of the crew. Alright, I didn't want to talk over them. Yeah, we met up with most of the crew here. There's some guys ahead of us, I believe, who we're going to be trying to meet up with.
3 hours later.
So yeah, we're going to pull up to the racing lot. I think we have to show our tickets. But yeah, that's a beautiful S2K, man. Holy cow. Dang, man. Alright, but yeah, we're just going to pull up and park, and then I'll take some videos. But, oh, look at all those cars. There's somebody in there, whoops. What's up, dude? Oh, he didn't even look at me.
Too late. 170 miles. Right. The Corvette's stretching him out. Can the boosted minivan run around him on the big end? Here he comes.
Alright guys, a few more spots to go. Found my competitor. I'm gonna get gapped. There's no question about it. Changed up the tune a little bit. Yeah, going up against the freaking Camaro. Oh God, I'm gonna get gapped, dude. And I'm like sweating like crazy too. All right. Once he says we can go, guess that's it. Good God, man. And there I go. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Let's see if we can get up to 100. Come on, baby. Nah, there's no way, dude. Absolutely great. Oh, how sad, dude. How sad. It's alright, it is what it is. You guys got to see it happen. Oh man, it's so hot in my car, dude. I mean, he probably can't daily drive that thing. You never know. I really don't know. But yeah, whew. Does not smell good. I don't think it's my car though. I think, oh good God, it probably is. All right.